How to add new Microsoft account in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Go to the Accounts in the left-hand menu. Click on Other Users. Under Other Users, click Add Account. Enter the email address of the Microsoft account you want to add and click Next. If you have not any Microsoft account, then click on this link to create a new account by following the on-screen instruction. I have Microsoft account, so I will input that email. You will see this message because of the connection issue. Click on Finish. Now go to the Start menu, then click on Profile. Then click on Sign Out. Now log into new account. Now enter password. Now verify your email. Enter the verification code here. Now set up a PIN to make a fast and secure signing. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The new Microsoft account has been added to your PC. And that's how you can add new Microsoft account in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.